Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler High Altitude 4xe in black clear coat. With adaptive cruise control, full body color fender flares, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start, hinge gate reinforcement by Mopar, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D8005.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.